Hey everyone, this is Mahta, Customer Success Specialist at Layers. In this video, we will walk you through managing technology and materials in Layers.app. After watching this video, you will learn what technology and materials means in Layers, how you can add new technologies and materials and set the pricing method, density and lead time, and how to define a minimum order value for order placement. Simply put, Layers lets you define various 3D printing technologies and any number of materials for each of these technologies you provide so that your customers can choose and place orders based on your workshop's capabilities. This means that materials are defined as subsets of technologies as they naturally are in the industry. To create a technology, first go to Layers.app/admin. Then choose Tech and Materials. Then click on Add New Technology. Type the name of that technology, for example, FDM. Now you have to determine the pricing method. You can choose your main preferred variable in pricing this technology between print time, volume, weight, or bounding box volume. Let's assume you choose time. This means the estimated 3D printing time will determine the price and will be used as the default method for pricing all of these technologies sub-materials. Click the Add button to add this technology. To add a material, you should click on Add New Material. Then you have to choose the color and press Apply. Once this is done, you have to choose the general aspects of that material. In the next field, type the material name. Then you have to fill pricing by. Here you should enter the unit price which corresponds with your pricing method. The price you enter will be the reference to calculate the 3D model's price per grams, square centimeters, or per hour, depending on your chosen pricing method. For example, if you enter 5 for the pricing method, the price of the customer's order will be $5 per each hour of estimated 3D printing time for that 3D model. The density section is necessary for technologies with pricing methods based on weight. It is up to you whether you want to have lead time for each material. Customer can see the lead time of production when placing order if you enter it here. Don't forget to add a time unit after your lead time number, like 5 days or 24 hours. Last but not least, we go through the starting cost. Here you have to determine the minimum price at which placing an order is possible. For example, if you type 10 in here, it means your customers should pay at least $10 to order production with this material. In Appearance tab, you can even upload a picture and write material descriptions to help your customers make better choices. These informations are displayed in Upload page. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have more questions, stay in touch with our team through the chat box in Layers platform.